No, Honorable Whip, I do not think we should spend so much time on this issue. I am minded to give the floor to the ranking member to proceed.
Too much time.
Just
an observation.
Honorable Chief Whip. Honorable Chief Whip.
Speaker,
I am minded. No, I am minded to give the floor to your leader
yes, my
to
leader
proceed
will speak,
with
but I have
his
an
comments.
observation to make, pursuant to what the Honorable Mama Erica said.
Honorable Chief Whip, I am minded to give the floor
are you
to Minority Leader to
Speaker, are you
proceed.
saying you allow me to speak? Is that it?
You will speak later.
No, I want to speak now. I insist I
Minority
speak now.
Leader,
no,
proceed.
It's important I speak. It's important. It's important. Yeah, so you should listen to me.
You didn't say you want to speak on a point of order.
But you should listen to me first. No, you raised a matter which is not right. Speaker, we cannot begin on this note. He made a point. If you just tolerate me just a minute, leader. He made a point that...
Honourable members, can we make progress?
The minority leader... No, I insist. I need to say this. He made a point.
Honourable members, can we make progress?
No.
Honourable Minority Leader, you have the floor.
Us. We are members of this committee. Respect us. Respect my opinion. Listen to me. What? No, what is that? Why? I respect the chair.
Honourable members,
I do respect the chair.
Honourable members, I
us.
intend to manage the proceedings today. Having taken a point of order,
so
I have given the opportunity to my left side to also come in. And after that, I do not want us to engage in a banter on a preliminary issue. That is why I pleaded with you that let's give the floor to the minority leader to proceed.
I concede.
Because
going forward,
taking you, I'll have to take some from here, which